Yes, guys, this is what we do. You can unplug those because the sensors, they're not the same. This one is a code, it's a number because the plug, as you see here, you see how this plug is, and you see the other plug is on the middle. You see the difference? This is the difference. And here is on the side. So this one I have here, I have both. You see this one here? I have both. This one is for the other side, and the other one is for this side. So stay with me, guys. Let me get the other sensor to find out. So I'm gonna plug this one first. Try to put the phone somewhere to hold it right there. I'm gonna get the other sensor just to make sure, guys. Okay, guys, this is the other one. It's two sensors. As we see, this one here have that little bracket there, and the other one have the bracket on the middle. Two different sensor here. We see two different one. So we don't have to remove this yet until we find which one that caused the problem. So right now I'm gonna test this one to find out if this one is okay or not. Okay, this one is that one. I plug it in and put the hose back, that little hose, and you go ahead, start the car. I don't plug that yet. This one, I haven't plugged it yet. I didn't plug that back because you have to put it like that, so that way you will find out which one that caused the issues. Let's go. Turn off. Okay, so you see, it still do the same thing. So what we do now, that means you can still leave this one or you unplug it. But I'm gonna unplug it, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna unplug it. See if I can put my phone a way that it can stay, so I can unplug this here. There we go. Now plug this back. Always twist a little bit just to make sure you don't break that little pipe. Okay, now I'm gonna unplug the other one. Unplug this one, plug this one back here, and twist the hose to take it off. So this one plug, I put the other one, this one I leave it the way it is, and I put the new one that I have from Junkyard just to make sure which one is the problem, because this is the one I got from Junkyard. I plug in here, it still do the same thing because it take two. So now I put this one now. Let's see what's gonna happen. Remember guys, it's P105. P105 code. There we go. There we go. Stay running, guys. There we go. Ready to go, guys. This is PJ, Mechanic of God. Please share, like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. This is a 2003 RAV4. Could be 2001, 2004, 2005. If it does that to you guys, they give you that code. Trust me, you change those and you will get the result. Thank you for watching, and leave me a comment, share, like, and I will be happy for that, guys. Thank you. There we go. Let me start it again before I leave, guys. There we go. Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. Ready to go, guys. So now we can just plug the reader and we clear the code. Okay, we clear the code, guys. All right, thank you.